It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong and today magluluto tayo ng isang very simple one-pot fish dish para sa inyo. Let's get cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na ha.
This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. And wala nang si Simpol dito sa recipe natin today kasi ilalagay lang natin lahat sa ating lutuan at antayin maluto, di ba? And gagawa tayo nga ng paksiw na isda. Ang gamit nating isda ngayon ay bisugo or goat fish. Yan. Pero pag gumagawa tayo ng paksiw, after gutting it out, after tanggalin natin yung laman loob niya, we usually leave the scales on. Kasi yung scales niya, nagbibigay ng linamnam, no? Yung nice flavor to our sauce na suka. So, what are we going to do? Medyo kakaiba yung recipe natin because medyo ito yung way na niluluto nung unang panahon. Hindi na masyadong uso ngayon, but ito siya, if you try it, you're gonna love it because meron siyang taba ng baboy, no? So, you add a little bit of pork fat, around half a cup siguro of pork fat dito because we want to render the fat and it will give a richness to our paksiw. Yan. So, what we do now, we just arrange everything. So, meron tayong taba ng baboy, meron tayong bawang. Ang bawang, I just crushed the bawang. Meron akong onions. Meron akong luya. So, very classic yung ating paggawa ng ating paksiw. Yan. And, of course, ang aking fish. Asinan ko yung aking fish. And I will arrange my bisugo over the pork. Yan. So, this is around half a kilo. Yan. Alam mo, nung bata ako, ayaw ko talaga ng paksiw. Kasi parang feeling ko pagkain siya ng mga matatanda because my lola used to cook paksiw. Pero now, it's one of my, favorite dishes. It's either tumanda na ako or you just miss some things that you grew up with, di ba? So, ito siya, I'm just arranging the fish. Then, I have black pepper, peppercorns. Of course, kasi paksiw siya. Meron tayong suka. We're using half a cup of datu puti vinegar. Because you can't have paksiw without masarap na suka. Yan. So, suka is very important. And of course, water. No? We want to dilute the vinegar to some degree para, it's pleasantly sour. And lalagay ko na rin yung aking sili. Siling haba. Siling pangsigang. Just put it there. Right now, when I cook kamias, I like to put a little bit of kamias. You don't have to put it. I just like the fruitiness, yung sour fruitiness it gives to our kamias, no? And you mash it, no? So, magiging medyo rich. Mas rich pa yung sauce niya. I just turn on the heat. And of course, to give my paksiw a little bit more linamnam is I add datu puti patis. Patis and suka. And what else is to do? We just cover, Kung meron kang palayok, masarap tulutuin sa palayok. And it's done. Tingnan natin, Look at that. Yung fish natin is still intact kahit we've been cooking it for quite some time because naka-arrange na siya at hindi na siya gumagalaw. And it was just cooked in a gentle simmer. And remember, mas masarap to bukas, kaya wag mong ubusin, ha? Let's plate. Arrange natin yung ating fish on our plate. This is our simple version of paksiw na bisugo. Try it at home and tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!